What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carl's here with Serrano's Mobile Detail here in Dallas, Texas. We got mail. It's time to go see what they sent me. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Guys, welcome back. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So what is this video about today, Carlos? Today, this video is about ceramic coating. First off, I'd like to say thank you to Avalon King for sending me one of their ceramic coatings. This is actually a new product to me. I have not used it, and it's really, for me, it's the just overall experience from beginning to end, right? And I'm definitely going to be talking about that in this video. So let's get started, guys. So out the box, presentation wise, looks really cool. It's, you know, black, and it has its bubble wrapped in on the inside, so very cool. For those who are new to detailing, why do I say this could be a really good coating for you? Is because it's the perfect coating to where it is, you know, one, consumer grade, meaning, you know, you don't have to worry about if you know, there's really like no mess up, if that makes sense, right? Two, for those who are starting, you know, the price on it, I think this kit here is, I think, on sale for $69. But it really, I guess, overall, just for the beginner, if you're really starting and you're not trying to spend a lot of money on a coating, you don't have to be certified. It is very easy to install obviously from what I have researched and seen. So let's open it up. Let's see what's in this box. Packaging wise, guys, I mean, it is very very nice. I love the black and the silver, really nice. This is the Armor Shield nano ceramic coating. So really nice packaging, I will say that. Really nice packaging for those who will want like that presentation. Avalon King definitely has a nice presentation. Opening the box, guys, it's a card from the co-founders. Thank you for your purchase. We're striving to make the best ceramic coating with the easiest application, whether you're a DIY or a seasoned pro. Let us know how it goes. We want to hear your thoughts. Nice card. It also comes with like this this card. It's not a business card, but I guess you can give that to your customers if you want when you finish. Really nice presentation. The bottle is really nice. The silver, I think, is what makes it pop. This is a 30 mils of product, and it also comes with, let's see, it comes with a buff off towel. It comes with some gloves. It comes with your applicator pad and some suede. And you also get for those who like stickers, you get a sticker from Avalon King. And you have some instructions. So overall, I mean, this is the perfect product for a new detailer, right? So I mean, agree to disagree. You know, some love this product, some don't like this product. But at the end of the day, guys, I think it's a perfect it's really a perfect product for a beginner. And I think I'm going to keep stressing this is for a beginner. Why? Because you don't have to rush your process, right? Another thing I did like was, I think once I talked with them, I got an email, and I don't know if it was just me, or if you've tried Avalon King and you've used their product, let me know if it's correct to what my scenario. And this is why I say it's perfect for the beginner, because after the purchase, you get an email of saying, you know, I guess, thank you for buying Avalon King, and it gives you like a step like a day one, right? Like step one, you're gonna do your process. Like it literally tells you by instruction what to do, right? And then I guess it sends you another email like later on, like now that your product is getting close, I think date, you know, it's time for the prep phase, right? And it tells you how to prep your paint or what to do, right? So that's really cool. For a beginner, that is perfect because you literally get instructions, and I think there's also videos connected to that. So if you need a visual, it's there. So props to Avalon King on that, on the visuals for beginners, right? And if you're a seasoned pro, you already pretty much know what to do. Aside from that, from the email, this is really cool. The instructions, really cool. It literally tells you, you know, pre-preparation, wash, clay, polish, IPA wipe, and then a simple method of 1 wash, 2 IPA. So this is if you try to get the most out of your paint, this is route number 1. If you're just trying to just apply the coating, then you literally do your wash, your IPA, and you apply the coating. You know, and many people say like don't prep you have to prep before you correct. You know, I don't want to get into that because that's not my area to discuss, right? But anyways, let me get all set up here, and I'm gonna bring you guys to this hood right here, and we'll get started. And I'm gonna give you my obviously initial reactions, and we'll finish with my final thoughts on this product. So let me get set up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. So quickly, if you guys are looking for like a humidity thermometer, I've really enjoyed this one because it gives me the degrees. But most importantly, guys, we're always trying to look at your humidity. We have high humidity today in Dallas, and I feel you, buddy. I feel you. I feel the same way. But I'll be posting a link down below for this one, and you guys can get you one. It comes with a set of 2, so I have one in my truck, so when I go to customers' homes, I put one in the garage. That kind of gives me an idea, and if I need to put some air to start flowing, then obviously I'll do that. All right, we are all gloved up. We're gonna be working on this area right here. You can kind of see a quick before and after from here to here. But I've gone ahead and did the IPA. For the IPA, guys, I love using Duplicolor grease and wax remover. You can find this at your local O'Reilly's for about $10 probably, but I usually go and buy like 10 of them. That way I have them in stock. So let's get started. Oh, and thank you to Detail Prints. I'll try to post their link down below as well. And I think I had a code for this, but I forgot. But if I do, I'll put it in the links down below. He was kind enough to send me this. It says Serrano's Mobile Detail, obviously in orange, by Detailed Prints. And it comes with 2 coating bottle holders. And he made me a nice little vacuum nozzle. Really cool. The Serrano's edition. But I'll be posting links down below with that too. So it comes with 2 pad holders like that. And you're able to fit a 30 mil and also a 50 mil if you want. So really cool. You can, that way you don't lose them. But anyways, let's get started. So we're gonna go ahead, open it up, and you're able to put your little cap right there. And let's open this baby. All right. Then you grab one of your suede applicator, guys, and you get your suede applicator, and you get your suede. You just wrap it around like that, the block. It also comes with these like where you can put it in here, but that's too much work. But let's go ahead, and I don't want to make this video very long. And you just pretty much wrap it around the block like that. And then we're gonna put the product in here. So be very liberal with it, guys. Usually when you apply the first, for me, the first application, I truly wet the pad. I soak it. And then after that, you can just apply like one line. So very simple. Let's see how this performs. Again, I said the humidity is going to be really high, so it's already flashing, guys. So look at that. And that's how you apply a coating, is pretty much once you put it on there, you apply it, and you always want to work in small sections, guys. You don't want to stretch the product out too much, so always just take it section by section. This part, don't rush it, right? So really nice. For those who are new, guys, this is why I really enjoy a product like this, because it's gonna rainbow, and hopefully the camera can kind of catch it. Let's see. So that is rainbowing, guys. So for those who are new to, obviously, to the coating phase, this is what you want, right? This is why I say it's perfect for the beginner, because it will flash. I will be showcasing a different coating here down the next couple of weeks, but obviously this video is mostly on the presentation of this product. So the beauty of this is it gives you you don't have to rush it, but once you see the flashing, guys, it pretty much just says that the coating is ready to be removed. I think at this point we're a good 10 seconds maybe, and I feel good to buff it off. So that's what you want, is that rainbowing, right? And again, like I said, the humidity is high. The reaction to this is gonna be much quicker. So usually a professional coating is more aggressive. So you might have to like apply and remove because you don't wanna let it sit there too long. Obviously, this is, again, a perfect coating for a beginner. This could teach you how to coat, right? It gives you the process. So let's go ahead and remove it and let's see how it performs. The buff off, that is very easy to remove, guys. And that's with high humidity. And I was able to remove that very, very easy. So one side, you blend your product. The next side, guys, all you do is you buff it off. Alrighty, guys. And that's it. In this video, guys, final thoughts on this product. For the beginner, it's a great product. For the price, you really can't complain. I think, again, it's on sale for $69. You get everything that you need in your kit. So it's just a perfect detailing starter coating kit. Comes with everything, comes with instructions, everything you need to coat. All right, so again, thank you to Avalon King for sending this product. Real good, flashes beautifully. I think I'm one of those that if I always want a coating that flashes. I don't know, I'm just visual. But overall, it feels slick, but we'll definitely find out here in a couple of weeks how it performs. Again, thank you to Avalon for sending this, and obviously initial thoughts on it. It's great. The price, it's great for a beginner. For those, like I said, looking to get into coatings, you really can't go wrong. This is it's a 2-year two-year warranty, I believe, or 2-year protection. Repels water nicely. You've seen many videos probably on YouTube on this product, so I don't like to talk about things that you already saw. Repels water nicely, protects it against UV rays and all of that, and it just gives you a nice gloss. Very user-friendly, consumer-grade coating. So consumer grade just kind of means where you don't have to worry about like messing up. It gives you a lot of time to fix an issue, right? As to if you get into more of the pro coatings, that's when you gotta really be on your A game, because I've learned if I don't buff it off in time, I'm gonna have high spots. High spots is pretty much when it looks like an oil stain kind of like smeared on the paint. It looks like that. With this, if you have a high spot, I'm sure you can literally go back, reapply, buff it off. Other coatings you would need to polish and then reapply and buff it off. Anyways, you guys have a great day. We'll see you guys next time.